The Fort Worth firefighters who rescued a mother and 5 children from carbon monoxide poisoning said they only had seconds to take action.
Yeah, all 4 of them decided to forgo putting on protective gear and get the family out of that home. And they say a girl's 911 call made at the right time was the reason they were all still alive when they were taken out of that home. Fox 4's Stephen Dial is live in Fort Worth with the story. Stephen.
Today we learned out of the 6 people taken to the hospital, the youngest, according to Fort Worth fire investigators, was an infant. They said that little girl who called 911, if she called any later, we could have been talking about a different story tonight.
When we saw them, some of them we thought they were dead. We really did. It was that bad.
The responding Fort Worth firefighters from Monday night's 911 call to a home on Fort Worth's south side talked about what they saw when they responded to a carbon monoxide call. The 911 call came in around 8 p.m. Monday. A girl told dispatchers her mother was not feeling well. When firefighters arrived, the girl who called 911 collapsed at the door.
And then you look to your right on the stairs was another girl, head down, unconscious, vomiting. Then you look upstairs, there's a little boy who was unconscious, and so that's all we saw.
A total of 5 children ranging in age from infant to teen were unconscious inside the home. Their mother was upstairs. Lieutenant Robbie Leon Guerrero said he made the decision to have his team rush in and rescue the family without putting on protective equipment.
But they didn't have long, so we made a decision to act immediately.
The children and the mother were taken to the hospital. Their condition Tuesday remains unknown. The 4 firefighters who rescued them were also taken to the hospital as a precaution. All of them were present for Tuesday's update.
She needs to be commended because she probably saved everybody in that house then.
Nobody answered the door at the home where the incident happened Tuesday. Neighbors who saw the commotion Monday night say they're just hoping for full recoveries.
I wish the absolute best for the kids that got sent to the hospital. Sometimes, most of the time I'd see them playing around here and there.
The Fort Worth Fire Department says that a car was left running in the closed garage last night when they responded to this. Now, Fort Worth police have not provided any additional details about this incident, and at the last check that we spoke to them, no charges have been filed.